guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel today. And today I will be testing out an experiment. So, I got this new thing. And we're going to be testing out the Crackles Magic Bath Crackles. So, if you don't mind, let's get started. So first I'm going to tear this open. This is a play set that I don't know quite where you could get it. I'll be right back, you guys. I got me a bar because I'm hungry, so I'm going to open this real quick. So, sorry, I said I was going to open it, but I didn't because I was putting my finger. I like this. It's a very nice set, you guys. It's not broken. So now, you're gonna need water. So I gotta have a cup of water that I'm gonna clean up around here so that I don't have a mess. I'll be right back. So what I have is I have a cup of water. Wow. This is super awesome. Then we're gonna take these. I'm just gonna take a little. If these do it, these are like the pop it, the things that will pop in your. Yeah.
What are you doing?
So I'm about to do that.
Come on, girl. Throw your shoes.
I want to go, Mommy.
No, you don't have a choice.
Why? There's no coffee or anything. I like this place. I love it. This is super nice, you guys. I love it. Thank you for watching. This was a very good experiment, and I can't wait to use this in my bath. Bye, guys.